Google announced 3 Chrome AI capabilities at I/O 2026, but only one question matters. Can you recover when it makes a wrong move? If your team loses 2 to 4 hours a day moving details between Gmail, a CRM, invoices and chat, another browser demo is not your problem. I'll filter the 3 updates through a real operating test: task removed, data exposed, approval path, and fallback. Most recaps stop at the feature list. They do not show where an agent can quietly create an expensive handoff failure. By the end, you'll have a pilot plan for one workflow. I'm Lazar, and I build reliable client automations daily. At I/O 2026, Google highlighted 3 Chrome AI directions: WebMCP, built-in AI powered by Gemini Nano, and skills in Chrome. Together, they point to a browser that can do more than display your tools. It can expose structured actions to agents, run some AI tasks closer to the user, and package repeatable browser work into reusable capabilities. That is the announcement. The useful business question is whether any of it removes a repetitive step without creating a workflow. Nobody can inspect when it fails. Start with WebMCP. The basic idea is important. Instead of forcing an agent to visually hunt for buttons, fields, and page elements, a website can expose structured tools that the agent can understand and use. For a small team, that could eventually mean fewer fragile browser automations for repetitive work, such as checking a lead record, pulling an order status, or preparing a draft from a known internal system. But WebMCP is not permission to connect an agent to every browser tab and walk away. A structured tool is only as safe as its permissions and its underlying design. If an action can change a customer record, issue a refund, send an email, or create an invoice, it needs clear limits. Who can trigger it? What fields can it write? Is every action logged? Can a person stop it before the change happens? If those answers are vague, you have not built automation. You have moved operational risk into a new interface. The second update is built-in AI with Gemini Nano. Local browser inference can be useful for lighter work, classifying an incoming email, extracting a reference number, identifying a document type, or drafting a first response. Keeping some processing closer to the browser may matter when the task involves sensitive operational data or when a cloud round trip is unnecessary. The limitation is equally practical. Lightweight local models are not automatically the right tool for complex judgment. A vague customer complaint, a multi-page invoice exception, or a lead qualification decision with incomplete context may still need a stronger model and a human approval step. The right architecture is usually not local versus cloud. It is routing. Use the smallest reliable component for each stage, then escalate uncertain cases instead of pretending every input is clean. See examples of what we ship for clients at bizflowai.io. From AI automation to custom integrations that connect the tools you already use. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you catch the next AI automation breakdown. And if you have a workflow you want automated, book a free 30-minute discovery call at bizflowai.io.